You are your child's best teacher. Not an app, you. What a good course can do is hand you the structure and the tools, then get out of your way. And like any garden, this one wants watering every day.
Every chapter teaches a single idea. In pictures, your child can count and move. Then it steps back and lets them think. The words stay small on purpose, so a 7-year-old can work through a chapter beside you rather than behind you.
On day 1, your child plants a seed and gives it a name. It grows as they learn. Seed, then sprout, then bud, and one day a full bloom. That is the thing to ask about at dinner, not what they scored, what has grown. Now the part parents worry about. What happens when they get one wrong? Nothing is taken away. A wrong answer opens a hint, a nudge, never the answer. And the question comes back later, so they get to be the one who fixes it.
And if they miss one, we never make fun of a miss. Not once.
So cheer the fix. Say, you worked that out, rather than you are so clever. Children carry that difference for years. Every chapter climbs 4 levels. Gentler when your child is struggling, firmer when they are flying. And here is what I want every parent to hear. Level 1 on its own puts them ahead of most of their class. Never reaching level 4 is not failing.
3 ways to practice, so you can pick by the mood of the day. Steady practice, which climbs the levels. Click rounds, for when the number facts need to get faster. And every so often, the Crow twins arrive with a challenge that mixes the whole garden.
Now your part. Pick a time and keep it. After a snack, before going out to play. The same time, the same spot every day. That is the whole discipline. And this is where you teach. Every chapter gives its idea a name, and a name is a thing you can take out of the room. Learn the move your child learned this week, then find a place to use it. You will not have to look far.
In the car, cancel the pair. Say, 55 plus 13 plus 28 minus 28. Watch them strike the 28s out in the air. 68, without ever adding them. At the till, give it back. $63, 29 off. Take 30 instead. That is 33. Then give the extra one back. 34. Round numbers are kinder, and the repair is the whole move. At the dinner table, bank 1 verse. Every plate gets a fork, a spoon, and a knife. 1 verse, 3 pieces. 4 plates? 3, 6, 9, 12. They have skip counted the table before they have finished laying it.
The openings are everywhere once you are looking. A price tag, a house number, a flight of stairs. Ask one thing, then wait, longer than feels comfortable. And when the answer is wrong, do not correct it. Ask how they got there. That is teaching.
Every day of honest work earns your child real scholarship credit toward the full course, in their own name. And a short note comes to you, what they worked on, what grew. Then let them give you the tour. Bloom Garden for Grade 2. Free at competitivekids.org.